Hey everyone, this is Dr. John at Evolved Chiropractic, and today I want to talk about ear infections and how they can respond very favorably to chiropractic care. But before I get into all of that, I want to briefly talk about, the typical approach that we see with these ear infections, whether it's with a kiddo or an adult. We tend to see the use of a lot of antibiotics being prescribed, and although those can help out in some cases, what more research is starting to show is that up to about 70% of these ear infections are actually caused by viruses. So these antibiotics aren't going to be of any use with those individuals if that is the case. But with the use of these antibiotics, we tend to see that not only is the bad bacteria being killed, that we want to be destroyed, but we're also seeing the destruction of that good bacteria in our bodies, the stuff that we want to keep in us. And when that good, healthy bacteria is also being destroyed, we see that our immune system is then weakened. So we always want to be taking a probiotic whenever we do take any sort of an antibiotic to keep that good, healthy bacteria flourishing within us. So again, with the destruction of that healthy bacteria, we have that weakened immune system then, which will then lead to another increased chance or risk of that reinfection. And again, starting that whole cycle with that antibiotic use. And that's why we see this all the time in little kids. They get one ear infection after another, after another, after another. And then before you know it, they're starting to recommend that they get the ear tube surgeries, which have all of their own risks of their own, including hearing loss as well as scarring of that eardrum, including reinfection. So before we go that route, I'd love for everyone to try chiropractic care, try a more conservative, natural route, do more of a wait and see kind of thing. With chiropractic care, we tend to see people respond very, very well. Most people can get relief as soon as one adjustment. Even just a couple adjustments later, they'll get that relief that they've been searching for, and not only get rid of it that one time, but we tend to see that they stay away as well, as that nervous system is functioning a lot better, allowing for better communication to that ear, that middle ear, allowing for proper drainage and giving them a lot of relief and keeping future infections away. So if you found this helpful, please go ahead, give us a like, give us a follow, and stay up to date on more health and wellness tips in the future.